My name's Sean O'Hara. I'm a teacher. I teach welding here at Lyman High School. I've been here for 3.5 years now. The welding program is, let's put the word unlimited on it. Your future could be unlimited as far as your potential, your motivation, your desire to succeed. We have a lot of fun in the welding program. That's first and foremost. I try not to approach it as a regular core class. I like to make sure the kids are having fun, more engaging. They tend to learn more when they're enjoying themselves.
I was interested in welding because growing up I worked with my hands a lot. My father was a construction head and he did a lot around the house. So when I was younger I used to help him weld on cars and we used to do projects around the house. So when I came to Lyman I saw they had an engineering program and I saw welding on there and I decided to join.
Yeah, so I remember buying my first machine, a really low-grade machine, but it was all I could afford. That was before I started high school. And then I remember going into Lyman and being super excited, seeing the program and everything, and it's definitely brought me to where I am today.
So at the end of last year, we took certifications for the AWS, and we were doing a weld on a plate. And I passed that after a week of practice, and passing that kind of fueled my passion and fueled my accomplishment, I would say.
Overcoming my fear relies a lot around social media. I follow a lot of women in trade. So to help ground my fears, if I see another woman doing it, I know I can do it as well. So seeing that helps me kind of ground myself in knowing that I'm not really alone out there and I'm not the only woman in trade.
I don't consider myself to know everything, but this past year, the lower classmen, they really find me influential, and I really like teaching. I like expressing my passion towards the younger generation and hopefully passing it on, even though I consider to do this for many more years.